When you're looking at the tip of a sprayer to use when applying the Wet and Forget, you want to look for a tip that has a fan shape. So basically something that's going to spray the Wet and Forget out in a fan type of shape onto the surface. That way you'll cover more area with less spraying. Sometimes you'll see tips where it comes out in a stream or a jet. These are not as good as the fan types, but you can use them. It will just take you longer. Remember how we talked about a fan tip sprayer covers area faster than a stream tip sprayer does? Now we're going to demonstrate that difference here by spraying a 5 foot by 5 foot section with a fan tip versus a 5 foot by 5 foot section with a stream tip. Here's a close-up of what a fan tip looks like on a pump-up sprayer. You can see the vertical line and how the Wet and Forget will go through the sprayer in more of a spread out fan type of shape. Go ahead whenever you're ready. Here's an example of a stream-shaped sprayer tip. As you can see, the Wet and Forget will come out more of a stream as a straight line rather than spreading out over the surface like a fan tip would. If you compare the times from our sprayer tip demonstration today, you'll notice that the fan tip can cover area about twice as fast as a jet or a stream tip can. So when you're putting a tip on the sprayer and applying Wet and Forget, make sure to select the fan tip for fastest performance. If you have any questions when you're applying Wet and Forget, don't forget to check out our great library of videos online. Thanks for joining us today.
Wet and Forget.